Hi guys, welcome back. So, the global and Malaysian stock market has crashed and many people are debating if you should look for opportunity now or you should stay away. Let us find out. I can't tell you whether to buy or not to buy now, but I can share with you a very simple market psychology. Now, when the market is going up and it's going strong, people will feel confident and greedy. That's when they buy more. But when the market goes down, then common investor will feel afraid and that's when they start selling. So this process will repeat itself until common investors go broke. However, if you're an experienced investor, the way they think will be totally different. Now, for an experienced investor, when the market is going up and strong, they will start to feel fearful, especially when even common people start saying that you can earn money from the stock market. That's when they get even more fearful. Now, because whatever goes up must goes down, so they will usually wait. And when the market crash and common investors start running away from the market, that is when an experienced investor will start feeling greedy and start accumulating and buying, and they will repeat this process until they become rich. If you look at people like Warren Buffett or experienced investor, you will find that they make the most money when the market crash, not when the market is going very strong. Like Warren Buffett always say, when people are greedy, be fearful. When people are fearful, be greedy. So guys, I hope this little tip in market psychology will help you to invest better.